In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Xbox gamertag on PC. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a really simple thing to do, guys. The first thing you will want to do is come over to xbox.com and then log into your account. And then once you have logged into your account, you'll need to come to the top right here and click on your username or your gamertag. Once you click on that, what you'll have to do now is go ahead and select Xbox profile. And then once you have selected Xbox profile, this is the page you'll be on. And then from here, what you'll need to do is come over to your little gamertag card here and then click on customize. And then once you click on customize, you'll be brought to this customize profile section. And if you want to change your Xbox gamertag, what you can do is select this pencil icon right next to your gamertag. And as you can see, it will give you the option to change it. So all you need to do is enter in your new gamertag here and then click check availability. And then if the gamertag you do choose is available, or you are willing to have numbers at the side of it like this here for example, what you can do is simply click the green button here, change gamertag, and then that's how you can go ahead and change your gamertag on PC.